In this question, we need to ask the user to enter a binary number. So that's the first thing that we do. Binary numbers can start with a 0, so that's going to be a string. So we cannot set it to an integer even though it's a number. So we just use input because it's a string. Then it says count how many ones and how many zeros are in the binary number. So we need to create two variables, total 1 and total zeros. So this is to keep count of how many ones have been entered and how many zeros. Then we need to loop through that specific string. I'm going to loop through the binary string. So for x in range from 0 to the length of the binary number. So it depends on how long that binary number is going to be. So that's how long we're going to loop from 0 to that amount. Then we need to create an if statement. If binary x, so if that specific index, so let's say index 1 contains a 1, well index 0, because the for loop started from 0 and the indexes start from 0 as well, is equal to a 1, then we need to add a 1 to total 1 variable. Obviously, if it's not going to be 1, then we have to assume that they've entered 0. Now, this is just an assumption because they can technically enter other numbers, which would be incorrect, but we'll just keep it at that for now. Then what we do is display all the total number of ones and all the total number of zeros, and then we're done. So if I run it and just type something like that, it will display 2 ones and 3 zeros because that's how many ones and zeros I've written.